Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia classic espresso machine. Now we just did a tune up on this machine, replacing the gasket and deep cleaning pretty much all the groove head, as well as giving it a descale and just making sure the whole machine is completely clean. So let's test it out, starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I got this brand set up correctly. And you can see a good shot coming out of this machine. Fortunately, I got it a little bit too fine. You can barely see it really dripping, but you should be able to hold to give a shot of espresso. By the way, I'm not using the basket that it came with. I'm just using one of our baskets that is a single wall, and this one is a dual wall. It's a pressurized basket, and it's a little bit more tricky to find the grind in there. And as you can see, it actually made it, even though it was way too fine for this machine. Right now for the steamer one. And as you can see, it's steaming properly and very powerful. Okay, thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.